If you work in GIMP often and you want every new image to open with the same grid size, this quick setup will save you a lot of time. Instead of adjusting the grid over and over again for each project, you can change the default grid once and make it permanent for all new images. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy GIMP tips. Let's jump right in. First, look to the top left corner of the screen and click Edit. From the drop-down menu, scroll all the way down and choose Preferences. This opens GIMP's main settings window, where you can control the default behavior for many parts of the program. On the left side of the Preferences window, find the default image category and expand it. Inside that section, click on Default Grid. This is the area where GIMP stores the default grid settings that will apply to new images you create. Now you'll see the grid spacing options. Here, adjust the spacing values to whatever permanent dimensions you want. For example, you can make the grid smaller for detailed work or larger for broader layout design. The important thing is that these values become your default, so every new image you open will use this grid size automatically. Take a moment to double-check the numbers before moving on. Once you're happy with the spacing, click OK to save your preferences. GIMP will now remember those settings for future images, which makes your workflow much faster and more consistent. Now, there are two extra things to know if your grid doesn't appear right away, or if you want it to actually help with alignment. First, make sure the grid is visible. If you change the size but cannot see the lines on your canvas, go up to the top menu, click View, and then check Show Grid. That turns the grid display on so you can see it while working. Second, if you want your tools to snap neatly to the grid, go back to View and enable Snap to Grid. This is especially useful when you're moving selection tools, brushes, or layers and want them to line up perfectly with the grid lines. With snapping turned on, GIMP helps you stay precise and consistent. So to recap, you changed the default grid size by opening Preferences, going into Default Image, selecting Default Grid, and setting your preferred spacing values. Then you made sure the grid was visible and enabled snapping for cleaner alignment. That's it for this one. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, shortcuts, and workflow tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.